Good afternoon. My name is Marco Aguilera, and I am the CEO of the company Pure Drop.
Good afternoon. My name is Ivana Arbaez, and I am the Business Development Manager.
Hello, my name is Paola, and I am the Transport Manager.
My name is Alison Tenorio, and I am the Production and Quality Control Manager.
My name is Paola Bernal, and I am the Chief Financial Officer of the company.
In this meeting, we are going to discuss the advantage and disadvantage of our company and also ways we can implement our product in the market.
Well, I think that one of the biggest advantage is that we can make bottles and pack them to distribute it around the world. There is no company that does something like that. It's a huge opportunity.
The main advantage with this process is that we can solve the lack of water in the coming years. It is predicted that if we continue consuming the only 2–5% of water that we can drink in the world, in 20 years, 47% of the population will live in areas with water scarcity. So if we can make the salty water to be potable, it will be awesome.
But there are also disadvantages. For starters, the equipment and machinery needed in order for the machine to work correctly and the process to be completed is very expensive. This is because it's some of the latest technology in the industry. We need to find out if there exists any other equipment that can work as efficiently as the ones that we use in order to reduce costs.
Well, but also it's important to mention that seawater desalination is a viable option in coastal communities, and it is typically combined with water reuse and conservation to develop a local, sustainable water supply. Some communities find desalination to be a more cost-effective solution than trucking water in from elsewhere or building new complicated to accommodate the transport of fresh water from other regions.
It can have in the environment. What about the water that returns twice salty to the ocean? Do this have an impact in marine life?
Alison, I have read an article about that, and there are many environmental challenges of desalination. For example, with the majority of desalination plants extracting water directly through open water intakes in the ocean, there is a direct impact on marine life. Fish and other marine organisms are killing on the intake screens.
That's okay. Now, in the topic, what do you propose for the business to get into the market?
That is a very important topic because people may not be that confident drinking water that has come from the ocean or might not even want to try it because they can think it may taste a little bit salty.
It's true. It is also known that if water is not treated in the right way, it may cause diseases. So people need to be sure that water is secure and good for their health.
I think that is one of the major concerns we have to keep in mind if we want the product to be successful.
So what do you think that we can do in order to solve this market problem?
Well, for this, I propose that we create an alliance with a water enterprise such as Bonafont, Ciel, Epura, and others. This will assure us a market and will be easier that people try it. If we do this, it will first appear as a new edition of water of the previous companies, and this will make easier the process of creating our own type and business of water.
I like the idea. I think this is the best strategy we can implement in our company.
Sounds great. So in the next meeting, we need to decide which company is better for the audience.
Yes, I think we've discussed the main points for now. We still have some things to solve, but I consider our company will have the success we all expect. Thank you all for your time. See you soon.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Bye.